Now this video is just going to be of the forward part of the boat. We're in the forward cabin right here. Once we leave that forward cabin, we have the owner's head, and as you can see, the owner's head is a stall shower. Then we leave here, we've got a washer dryer combo, galley sole and a galley. I point this out that the galley sole is like a veneer, so if you spill something on it, it should be relatively easy to clean. But once again, we've got plenty of storage in the galley. We've got a full stand-up freezer that is working because I just opened it, and there's items in there keeping cool and fresh. And then we've got a dinette. So I just want to confirm that this boat is located in Fort Myers, Florida. My name's Wayne, representing United Yacht Sales. My phone number is 239-707-9422. My contact information should be around here somewhere, so feel free to call me anytime. Entertainment center, salon, wet bar, an ice maker. And also just like to point out that unless I'm missing something, I've been around the boat, and the boat's pretty dry. It's kind of very dry, as a matter of fact, unless I'm missing something. But there are no foul odors in the boat. Like I said, she's dry. I just want you to experience what I'm seeing right here. But it's a dry boat. So here she is. She's for sale. Feel free to call me for additional pictures, for questions, for concerns. She is ready to go to survey. Thank you for your time.